So let me show you how I went from creating Oiboo's flyer like this with AI tools to creating something like this. You see how good this is, and this and many others with same AI tool. This is ChatGPT. You can use it on cloud and every other AI tool, but this is just following a simple framework we've been talking about since morning. So you will see this. The framework works for any almost everything. So you see, I wanted to create to serve you better. Create a better. Let's create a flyer for this. See what is created for me. What the fuck? Now, what changed to creating something like this? It's simply what you see. This is the final output. It's simply what I want to show you in this video: how to generate quality flyers with AI. Not even flyers. You can use to generate YouTube thumbnail, any design of your choice. So let's get started. You may even have to. Some of you may even stop paying your graphic designer after watching this video. So the first thing you want to take note is when you want to create any flyer with AI or and generate any image with AI, it's not even about prompting. The first thing you want to take note is you want if you give this AI tools proper information, they give you better output. And one of ways you can give them proper information is providing samples, reference to them, which I guess we talked about it here. Providing samples, reference to these AI tools, it will help them get better. Like, no, okay, this is what class this guy wants. So here it is. See the first thing I did here. This is where everything is starting from. I want you to see how it looks like. This is it. See, I already compiled the details of I wanted to hire an inventory manager, oh sorry, inventory officer for one of my business. So I compiled the details there. Then I asked him, I want to hire a logistics. Da, da, da. Now I want to create a simple flyer to create awareness for it. But first, craft a simple content. I first brainstorm with it. It's generated the content we want. Okay. Then the next thing I did was what? I provided a sample to it. I want to create a simple flyer like this. Give me prompt I can use to generate exact image like this on if you are using on cloud. If you are type this is ChatGPT on ChatGPT, take note of the choice of fonts because a lot of a lot of flyers I've seen on ChatGPT, anytime it's created, it's just one rubbish font. So you must take note of font. And how do I generate this image? It's very simple. Go to Pinterest.com. You can get any image from Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com, go to Pinterest.com. So what your first job after you've decided on the kind of content you want, the first thing you want to do is go to Pinterest.com, then go and search for image flyers or from previous designers that have been done, flyers that have been created by by different designers that's related that is relatable or that's related to whatever you want to create, right? Oh, I love this. Let me save it. So you want to do what? That is one thing you want to do. So the next thing you want to do is okay, I can search for see what I've searched for, like, depending on what I want you to come the ebook cover design that. So I can say I want, what do I want? I want, okay, I guess I search for logistics flyer. Depending on you, if you want to create a flyer for anything, just search for it. You see, this is it, logistics flyer, and that is exactly the first thing I saw here. That's exactly what it brought. You see, there are different samples depending on you, depending on you. So you can even decide not to go for logistics flyer depending on whatever you want to do. So let's just go straight to the point. Next thing you just click on, don't save, you click on download. How do we download? No, okay, below. Okay, download image. Once you download the image, then go to your AI tool. So upload that image. You see, this is it. I then ask it to generate that same image for you, or sorry, prompt for it. So you see, I've given it a sample, which is the reference we talked about. Then it generated the prompt for me that see front direction. Tada. You see, this is the front direction. No concern me. See, and now uploaded the logo, generate a clean modern. I copied the same prompt it gave to me. I copied it, then I pasted it back. Then I did generate a clean modern high-end promotional flyer for soft life, top center, top life store logo attach. Main headline. You see, one thing you needed to know, these are the headline. You needed to change the content, the information of the prompt. You see, this is main headline character. We are hiring logistics officer. Is this what is here? No, but I guess it already even generate because I already provided this information to it. This is what I want to achieve. It already even did it for me. But sometimes you need to edit it yourself. Edit the content to what suits you. Okay, typography style, bold, geometric sound, serif, I don't know the name of the font, but it was the one that gave it to me. Same thing. So headline, join a fast growing home improvements, same thing. I guess sub headline. You see, left side foreground is smiling. This is what I changed. This is the only thing I changed. A left side, a foreground, a smiling African logistics worker wearing a clean uniform, blue or green, holding two card boxes, looking friendly and professional, which is truth, right? See now what I changed here. I now change it to just be left side foreground, a smiling African man wearing blue or green, holding two guard boxes, looking friendly and closely professional, right? Right side, instead of the truck, I did not add the truck. See what I added? A clean CRM or Google Sheets dashboard because that is what is related to me. So you see that you don't need to copy and paste everything verbatim. Change the content. A clean CRM or Google Sheet dashboard, modern white and realistic lighting. So I like track. Where do I get this modern white and realistic lighting? I guess it is part of this. I'm very sure. Left foreground, they clean the living room. You see modern white, realistic lighting, everything. No be me right now. So I just changed this to a delivery truck. Is the only thing I changed. I changed into this particular thing, which is what is it? A clean CRM to or Google Sheet dashboard. And same thing is everything. So it's sometimes it does like this. It will provide you see gave me the prompt again. Okay, it revamped the prompt. This is already very solid. You are thinking like a designer now. Where did it go to? So same thing here, all this. Then the next thing was I guess I did not add the logo. I added the logo. Generate a clean model and you see you add your logo as well. I guess you see everything is simple, right? I guess you have to highlight it. Generate a logo for a logistic company for a logistic and inventory role. I guess where did I even add the logo? Top life top center, place the provided. You see, you have to indicate what you provide for it. Provided top site, top lifestyle logo clearly, which is what was provided. If you give this thing the proper information, this gives you a proper answer. See what it generated for me because I changed the truck to what to CRM. See what it have. See what we have here. Then you can also reprompt, follow up prompt. Everything is perfect, but the logo looks too big. Reduce the size of the logo only and maintain all other things. Don't change anything except reducing the logo size. Because if you are familiar with generating image with these AI tools, you can generate another image for you entirely. But you need to only this is the only thing you want to change. See, and this is what I have here. Simple as ABC. The process is very, very simple. Go to Pinterest, download your search for your preferred flyer. You can search for let's say uh which can come to my head. Wedding or wedding invitation, anyhow. Wedding invitation flyer rather. Any of these can come in. You can use find a simple one and use and come and upload. I want to create a wedding invitation. Yeah, give me prompt. It is the AI that will do the work for you. Same thing was what I did here. See, this is another example. Okay, and this is exactly you are the same thing. The first thing I always do is I provide enough information to these AI tools. Then sales closer role after we generate the content what is going to be on the flyer, then I give it a sample. You see, I downloaded this from Pinterest. This is a project manager, concern me. So same thing, it gave me the prompt. As you can see, a clean modern high-end flyer, clean tech concern me. I copied the text. I added generate. Ensure you add generate. Added everything. See, it gave me something exactly like that. But I did not insert my logo. I thought it already had my logo before. So you see, I had to upload the logo. Attach is a proprietary logo. Change the logo to this simple as ABC. You see, change the logo. And I also okay, and the flyer should be square size one ratio one. See, this thing is very simple. You don't like just know what you want. Once you know what you want, you can guide this AI tools through. so that they can give you what you want. And any section should be changed to base salary plus commission, no any limit to top performance. You see, simple as ABC, and it generated it for me. This was done in less than 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and I'm done. Same thing here. I wanted to create a YouTube thumbnail, uploaded it, and same prompt. Like I just created a video showing how a customer can use Property and want to create a thumbnail for it. Title how to use Property. You to generate prompt for the thumbnail above so that I can use. Give me prompts. You see, different. Will I be thinking of all these system regional? I copy the prompts, paste it here, step by step, whatever it is, and I added my title. I guess I only added my title, and this was the output. I did not stress myself. So this is you can use it to generate any image, whatever image. Just provide the sample to it. It follows everything. Come back to what we are talking about. ChatGPT prompt, like sorry, ultimate prompt. Give it a reference tag. I don't. This is not optional. This is powerful. Optional but powerful rather. Give it a reference prompt. If you provide any sample or you provide any guide for it, it will help you achieve that result. I hope this is helpful. So this number five is very, very powerful. Give it a reference text. It's not even reference text, a reference sample rather. So you see what you've achieved with that. With that, we've been able to generate image with ChatGPT. You can use it on Grok, whatever. So what thing I would do, I guess I would just compile the prompt. You've seen it now. Compile it into a Google document and maybe provide it for you. That is how I generate images with AI tools. And I believe you can implement this same thing for your business. I hope this helps someone. Stay blessed.